Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with going for a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through major talking points and features of this 330D M Sport Saloon. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and just run you through a little bit more in depth of the interior features. The vehicle itself is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that you will see there that it does come equipped with the genuine BMW 20-inch 405M alloy wheels, which are of course part of the Mperformance catalogue. Alongside that, this vehicle did also come equipped with some other Mperformance equipped parts. Included in that was the Mperformance glossback kidney grills. However, we've also added a couple of other bits to that. Included in that was our own YNC Mperformance style front splitter. Down the side we added the satin side vinyls and the glossback sidebars. And you'll see there over the top of the car it has also come equipped with the very nice optional extra glass sunroof, which really does add a very nice ambience to the interior, all of which you'll see very shortly. It did also come with these very nice aero tip mirror caps. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, you'll see there it has got the black Dakota leather, which comes with the electric lumbar adjustment and heated seats for both passengers and drivers front. Also equipped to the car is the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, and of course I'll show you just how much light having that glass sunroof really does let in, even though currently it's just in its tilt, and of course that does slide all the way back as well to let even more light in. The interior for this car is in fantastic condition throughout, and we'll move around, take a look at the rear seats now, where you have a nice fixed 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest. Once again, the rear seats are in even better condition. I'd say they look like they've never even been sat in this vehicle. But again, you'll find the darkened M Sport headlining, again all in fantastic condition. And we'll move around towards the rear of the car, again showing you off how nicely presented these genuine Mperformance 20-inch alloy wheels have been kept in and are currently in. At the rear of the car, another feature of this vehicle when it came in was a genuine BMW Mperformance rear spoiler, and again addition we made was the satin rear diffusers to really finish the car off. Opening up the tailgate, you'll see just how large that boot space is for the 3 Series. But again, fortunately, this vehicle also comes with the split folding seat option to further enhance that large space, which we'll demonstrate for you in a moment. Moving round to the other side, where again you'll be able to take in just how well the mineral grey makes it for a very nice looking 3 Series overall. And again, the condition for the age of this car really is exceptional. And of course, bearing in mind these alloys when they were new would have cost over £2,000, so very expensive optional extras or from the Mperformance catalogue. So I'll just demonstrate that split folding seat option to of course further enhance your large boot space, and it is a really useful aid. And thankfully BMW did add that to be a standard feature for the new 3 Series Saloon, but as I mentioned it was an optional extra for this year of 3 Series. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a seat inside the car and just run you through a couple of the features and functions of the superb professional wide navigation and media screen, which this car is also equipped with as an optional extra. Sliding back that roof, well again we'll get a little bit more light in this cabin, which again is a really nice feeling. Currently on display is the DAB function, however we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you right the way through for your USB inputs, your Bluetooth audio and of course your AUX inputs. Navigation wise, there you can see that all on screen, again a really nice user friendly system. Bluetooth for telephone as well of course. And going back to the main menu, we'll take a look at the service requirements and service history of this 330D in a moment. Down here we'll find the dual climate control and again the switches for the heated seats. And having a look over here, you'll be able to see this vehicle's covered just over 69,000 miles. Also on board we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on this lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And if we go into the vehicle information screen, I can show you when the next service is due. Everything highlighted in green gives you an indication that everything is due for plenty of time, including all of the brakes front and rear. Engine oil not due for 19,000 miles time, which is fantastic news for any potential next owner of this car, as of course it does mean that there is a long time before the maintenance. You will have seen there that the front brake pads are due in 1,400 miles time. However, we are going to be replacing the front brake pads as that comes under our service requirements. Anything 3,000 or 3,000 miles and below here at Your Next Car will be checked and replaced if necessary. And again, for the rear brakes, so it will have front and rear brake pads carried out on this car with an invoice to prove so. In terms of service history, this vehicle comes with 2 services from BMW documented on the iDrive, and of course we've also got some service history carried out with some documentation from an independent garage for the car. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it, found it useful, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you guys, take care, see you soon. Thank you.